Every watermelon dessert begins with fruit harvested at peak ripeness.
Only premium fruit earns a place in dessert production.
Automated flow ensures speed without damage.
Consistency starts before a single cut is made.
Surface contaminants are washed away completely.
Purity is non-negotiable in food-grade processing. Dry surfaces prevent contamination during cutting. Technology guides precision at industrial scale. Each fruit is directed to its ideal use.
Human judgment still matters.
This is where transformation truly begins. Every step protects the final flavor.
Accuracy prevents waste and preserves quality.
The journey from fruit to dessert has begun. Freshness is visible at every stage. Smart systems prepare the next refinement. Next, precision meets purity. Removing seeds is essential for smooth dessert textures.
Gentle motion protects the flesh while separating seeds.
Nothing is wasted in modern production. Only pure flesh continues forward. Rind removal improves taste and appearance. Every stream has its destination. Uniformity defines professional desserts. Human touch confirms machine judgment. Clean cuts ensure fresh flavor. Moisture control preserves texture. Only perfect color makes the cut. Quality is enforced instantly. Preparation leads to transformation. Shape defines the dessert experience. Details matter at every scale. Temperature locks in sweetness. Now, the dessert takes form.
Next, creativity meets industry.
This is where fruit becomes dessert. Precision controls flavor and texture.
Exact quantities ensure repeatability.
Gentle blending protects natural sweetness.
The fruit's own juice becomes the foundation.
Data guides every adjustment.
Uniformity defines premium desserts. Cooling preserves fresh flavor.
Only minimal additions, never overpowering.
Movement ensures consistency.
Exact fills ensure perfect portions.
Uniform surfaces enhance presentation.
Next comes refinement and finish.
Finishing defines the final experience.
Form is preserved without force.
Texture tells the story of quality.
A subtle finish enhances appeal.
Perfect edges elevate presentation.
Measured additions preserve balance.
Packaging preserves everything achieved so far.
Every dessert receives its own place.
Automation handles delicacy with care. Precision is verified instantly.
Protection begins with a barrier. Seals lock in freshness.
Integrity is never assumed. Even invisible flaws are caught.
Traceability follows every unit.
Brand and information meet.
Accuracy protects trust.
Consistency reaches the gram.
Standards are enforced automatically.
Extra protection for transport.
Human eyes confirm perfection.
Next, individual becomes collective. Secondary packaging prepares product for the journey ahead. Accuracy scales up with volume.
Seals protect during transit. Pressure ensures reliability.
Errors are eliminated instantly.
Bulk weight confirms internal counts.
Order prepares for stacking. Next, products move into storage.
Now the product enters controlled rest.
Movement is deliberate and planned.
Placement is as critical as production.
Every pallet has a precise location.
Uniform cooling preserves texture.
Digital tracking replaces guesswork. Time refines stability.
Scale meets order.
Everything waits its turn.
The final journey begins here. Alignment prevents damage. Cold chain remains unbroken. Movement is controlled in transit.
Once sealed, quality is locked.
From factory to market. Distance is planned, not guessed. Paperwork mirrors physical flow.
Every move is logged.
Flow remains uninterrupted.
Verification never stops.
Safety is measured, not assumed.
Demand guides distribution. The final miles begin.
Freshness waits patiently.
Presentation matters at retail.
The product meets the consumer.
Presentation turns it into an experience.
Coordination is the heartbeat of production.
People and machines work as one.
A single facility produces thousands of moments.
And this is how modern factories produce watermelon desserts from start to finish.
Comment what's next.
Comment what's next.